Hey everyone! If you know me or my videos, you know that I love cinnamon. I put it on almost everything and I'm very heavy-handed with it. If you're like me, you're going to want to make sure that you watch this video so that you are using the correct type of cinnamon if you're using it in large quantities. I didn't realize this until a couple of years ago, but there's actually multiple types of cinnamon. The two main types are Cassia, and that's the one that you're going to find at your grocery store. It's cheaper, it doesn't taste as flavorful, and it can actually be toxic in large volumes. So you're going to want to make sure you steer clear of that if you're using it heavy-handedly like me. The other one is Ceylon. That is a little more expensive, but it has so much more flavor. It has antioxidants in it, and you can use it in large doses. That's the one for me. So again, be sure to use the correct cinnamon if you're using large quantities. Otherwise, feel free to just stick with Cassia, it's fine. But I highly recommend going with Ceylon. It's so much more flavorful and you will absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me, and I hope you have a great day.